Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm going to show you that how can you know what is the color code in any picture or in any diagram. Why I am making this video, because just for your information purpose, let's say I have this a flow chart and I want to add some color, and I want to add this color with respect to some diagram which I have, right? So that's why I'm making this video. So that is the most important point. Now let's say I have this image, because I'm going to show you actually a different image, and so that you can know what are the how can we complete this task. So let's say now I'm creating few shapes, or let's say anything. You have a graph, or a graph is there, or a image is there, and you want to fill this box, or let's say this particular area, with some particular color, and then you have to use that particular color in some different application. And where, if I want to put a color, what I will need, if I'm going to put this color, I need there are some fixed predefined colors, but if you click on add custom color, it requires this thing, a number of that color. So how can we do that? So for that, let me show you. So let's say I want, first what I will do to get the color code, let's say I want a color, let me show you first. So let me show you first thing. Let's say there is before that, to get a color code, we need to first draw a box, and in that box we have to fill that box with that color. Okay, so now this box is there, I will fill it with a color, but the color I will select from the background image. So I will select this eyedropper icon, and let's say you want to get this color which is of my glasses. I will click on that, and it is filled, right? So now the glasses color has been filled in this box. Now what I will do, I will click on the box, and you can see this icon has been changed, right? I will click on that. Now this color has been added. Now what I will do to get this color code, to get the number for this color, I will click on more fill colors. And now if I click on more fill colors, it will automatically select a color, same color which I have selected. Now you can see there is a color code which is also called as hex number, and I have to just copy it, and you can so now in this way you can get the number of the you can get the number of that color, or hex number of that color. Now you can go to any other software, and you can let's say you want to fill that with that particular color, you can paste it, click on enter, and you can see that color has been inserted in the different application. Okay, so in this way we can know what is the hex number, what is the color number for a particular color using Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can apply that color as per your convenience, as per your application. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.